Mitch. You ain't heard, Mr. Gutter nigga from the curve, posted up with the bird, toasters up in my shirt, loaded up, let it burst. But fuck what you heard, I don't trust in the words, I get a rush off of verbs, action, pack splurge when the Mac emerge, cataract nerd, but I twist the herb and get furred like a mammoth. Mitch is massive, me cramping, picture that shit, just imagine, it'll never ever happen, never captain, similar to Nazika, Mitch is nasty, hip hop ain't dead till I'm in the casket, that's a factor for you rappers. I'm a master, know nothing but disaster, and that's what I'm bringing to the table like it's breakfast. Extra, extra, read all about me. You could be skeptical, you should even doubt me. I don't owe you a story, I really rather not talk about situations I'm facing in my life. This is my escape and not to glorify. Besides, people naive, most rappers just lie, think of hot shit that's deep whenever they get high. But I will tell you that I'm bad to the bone, and I've been in more danger than Indiana Jones. Ain't man with a tone, ain't clapping, ain't blood ain't popping, ain't crippin' cracking. Same old rerun shit like what's happening. My idiosyncrasies is your rapping. My pretty hoes get on their knees with no pads and get the smacking. Maybelline lip action, maybe lean, but that girl fat from the back, and that's all that matters when you hitting it from the back end. Last in the club, and that's how I got the gatting. Bouncers getting lazy, that's why I'm never slacking. All on wavy, baby, I get it in with the fashion. B-more made me crazy, my other half is a crackhead, but fuck it, that's my daddy. Gladly, and with that M and your suckers kiss my asses. Left cheek, right cheek, just don't touch the crack, bitch. Mitch is magic, also a acrobatic. Pass me your pack and I'm gonna make a backflip. How you like that shit? I know you like that shit. Don't label me the best or the best rapper. Label me the great, put me up with Michael Jackson. Moment of silence. Now I'm back in, yeah, it's blasting for every fiend that we've asking. Had to go to school with a clear backpack. Cat such yourself wanna bring the gas in. For me, school was an open door for grass trapping. Miss Passion even asked with the bags in. She told me to double that shit like an ad there, 20s and up. But you dummies better come with a buck. I'm on the jets till there's nothing but dust. To all my Brooklyn niggas, 2 guns up, who want what? Or better yet, who want me? Who want Tesla? Veteran, B-E-Z, get unsafe like a North Face in D.C. It's like I better make them beat their feet or rock their chin. And I got the chopper in, and the lawyer something like Johnny Cochran. White alligator Prada with the ostrich brim. White on white, we looking like Rock and Gin, boy.